Today we are here reviewing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. So this kit comes with 12 individual pieces, which are the camera, first and foremost, a wrist strap. This is a wide angle lens that snaps right onto the camera with a magnet. So all you do is you pop it right on there. It comes with a Bluetooth mic that has a clip on the back, as well as a magnet. If you don't want to use the clip, you can use this to attach it to your clothing. It also comes with a windscreen for the mic. This little extension piece, so this is actually for clipping it onto the bottom in order to attach a tripod stand. So you can attach any sort of tripod. This is a universal little thing right here, or you can attach the tripod stand that comes with the Creator Combo. All you do is twist it on, and you get a little stand like that. It also comes with a battery pack. This battery pack will give you one full charge and super easy to use. All you do is snap it onto the bottom. You'll see the green light shows up and it starts charging the camera. This is a case protector for the camera. This is pretty cool because you can see at the bottom, there is a spot for the wide angle lens and there is a spot for the Black Pro Mist. This piece does not come with the kit. However, with the wide angle lens, it attaches again with a magnet. So all you do is pop it in there and you're good to go. It doesn't go anywhere. It also comes with a USB-C to C charging cable. Lastly, a carrying case for all of your items. There are tons of different compartments to keep your things organized. First, going over the physical features of the Osmo Pocket. As you can see, this is a pocket-sized camera. I have a very small hand and it is about the same size as my hand. Starting from the top, of course, this piece is the camera piece. This is a record button. Above, you can see this little line. This is the actual speaker for playback on the device. And this right here is to move the camera. So as you can see, I can move it to the right, to the left, up, and down. This also serves as the zoom. You can zoom up to 2 times on this camera, which is pretty cool. All you do is you click the little zoom button on the side here, and then you can zoom in and zoom out. I have had this camera for over 6 months now. I've used it very regularly. I've used it to vlog on vacation. I've used it in everyday life. And some really, really cool things about this camera compared to other ones. For such a small device, it is so mighty. It shoots in 4K at 120 frames per second. You might have already seen, but this camera has a 3-axis gimbal stabilization. So you essentially get smooth videos no matter how you are moving. This camera also contains what's called Active Track 6. So what that is you can set your camera on a tripod and set it so that it will follow your face. So if you are vlogging by yourself, you can just set it to follow you and it will move the gimbal based on where your location is at. It also has a very fast autofocus. And one of my favorite things about this is this camera connects to the DJI app on your phone. And with that app, there's so many cool things you can do with it. The first being you can use it as a viewfinder. So if your camera is far away, you can just take your phone with you and you can see exactly how everything is set up. You can also directly download videos from this camera onto your phone into your camera roll by Bluetooth, which is so convenient. You don't have to go through the hassle of taking out the SD card, plugging it into your computer, transferring it to your phone. Another really cool thing, if this is something you're into, is that the DJI has built-in beauty filters. So there are things such as making your skin a little bit more clear. You can actually put makeup on yourself, so lipstick, eyeshadow, eyelashes, like blush, everything. You can make your face skinnier, you can make your mouth bigger. It's kind of crazy, but for people who would use something like that, that is readily available for you. So if you are somebody who is on the go, who is always filming on the go, whether it is vlogging or perhaps documenting, you know, anything really, I would highly recommend this specific camera for a few reasons. Number one, like I already mentioned, it is pocket sized. It's so convenient to throw in your backpack, in your pocket, in your purse. It doesn't take up any space, and also if you are in public and you are not super comfortable with it, it is discreet enough to the point where most people will not notice. Another reason is the battery life on this thing is excellent. On days that I vlog, I use this thing from the morning to night, and it lasts me the entire day. Picture quality also is excellent. I have used this thing in all different kinds of lighting. I've used it in indoor, outdoor, low light, direct sun, and everything, and it is phenomenal. Another cool thing is that you can easily film both horizontal and vertical video on this thing. So as an example, I have it set to horizontal right now. I can start filming a video. Of course, it'll film a horizontal video. But if I flip it to vertical and I press continue, it changes the camera to vertical mode, and I can film a TikTok video, I can film a reel. And last really cool thing I'll mention is, you probably have already seen me do it, but in order to turn the device on and off, all you have to do is flip the screen. Really, I have used so many cameras before, and this is the one that I am most impressed with. This is one that I reach for every single time. So if you are considering this, I highly, highly recommend it. It is a little bit pricey, but it is well worth the money, especially with all of the other pieces that I showed that you get with it. It makes the life of a creator so much easier. So overall, I would highly recommend you check it out.